Okay, so this morning I wanted to go take a walk by myself. So I am at Oakland Hills Nature Park. So what I'm doing right now is I'm trying to find the trail. It's a 3.1 mile loop. I mean, it's not like a major hike that's like in the mountains, but it's an easy hike that's basically for all skill levels. So figured I'd just take the day just to spend it by myself. So it's not bad. Definitely a lot of parking. So I believe that's where the trail starts. So Tualatin Hills Park and Recreation District. So it's definitely got a lot of trails within trails. As you guys see on the map, you can definitely see a lot of the trails through here. They got some ponds. Yeah, no, see there's Lily Pond, Big Pond. So, I mean, they got a whole bunch of different little loops you can do through here. Paved path, great for families with strollers and bikes, and it's perfect. Definitely a lot of people here today. But, you know, everybody's out and about on these beautiful days. It's definitely nice to get out and about. I can't remember the last time I've done a hike by myself, because typically I'm always hiking with somebody, normally never by myself. But if I'm gonna be doing a hike like on a mountain like Mount Rainier or Mount St. Helens or those bigger and harder hikes, I definitely do in a group just for safety purposes. But in like little small area parks or city parks like this, you know, I'm not worried about it. I'm not worried about anything happening. It's pretty safe. I mean, there's quite a few people in these type of parks at all times. So today was mostly about just getting out and about and getting some exercise. Check out the mushrooms on this log. Kind of cool how they just grow out of the log. What's that? No bicycles on this path right here. Pretty. I love doing hikes like this where it's kind of secluded. You feel like you're on your own, even though I know there's people around, but it feels good. So as you guys can see, there's other trails that go the opposite way, but we are continuing to go that way. Winds of change. High-rising housing. Dead trees with broken tops called snags provide valuable habitat for wildlife. Owls, swifts, and woodpeckers are just a few birds that utilize these snags. That's pretty cool how they have these little informational things on the trail. It's so beautiful through here. I love how the sun is just peeking through the trees. Look at how high those trees are. It's real pretty. Graffiti. It's a cool little bridge. Goes all the way down there. It's pretty cool. Well, there's a little tiny river in here. Not much water. Water doesn't look very clean. It's another bridge. It's definitely weird for me because I'm not used to hiking alone. Normally, I'm always hiking with somebody. So it's kind of odd for me to be on these trails by myself. But, you know, at the same time, I needed this. I needed the alone time to just kind of really, you know, just walk and think and just be by myself, you know. I needed that. I didn't want to be around anybody today. I just wanted to just take the time to be by myself, walk and think and just really enjoy this time to myself. But overall, it's not bad. It's a real easy hike, guys. Definitely easy, for sure. Not hard at all whatsoever. It's a lily pond. It's kind of cool. Can't really see the water. Maybe the water's underneath all those lily ponds. I love listening to the sound of the birds. It's so peaceful. There's like a little trail we can go. Maybe we can go check out the lily pond closer. That's cool. Let's go this way. Let's see. Oh yeah, look at that. How cool is that? You can definitely see the pond. How neat. Huh. That is so beautiful. Look how green that is. And that's over here too. Huh. That is so cool. So, Vine Maple Trail, Nature Center, and Old Wagon Trail. Well, that's cool. I wonder where the Old Wagon Trail goes to. And then there's like, looks like a little bird feeder or something. Yeah, so definitely I'll check my All Trails map and see which way we go. We're gonna go on the Old Wagon Trail. Definitely a lot of bridges here. And I mean, this type of bridge is already slick as it is. So I couldn't imagine when it was wet how slippery this would be. So yeah, this bridge would be very slippery. I mean, as I'm walking, it's already slick as it is, but definitely be careful if you choose to do this trail if it's raining outside. You could easily fall. Oh, this is so beautiful and so peaceful. I mean, look. And this bridge goes all the way up there. I mean, definitely beautiful. You can definitely hear city noise. I mean, what do you expect? We're in the city, so. But regardless, it's still beautiful, guys. Definitely come and check it out if you're in the area. It's a beautiful day. Check this out. We just came from that way, and this bridge goes all the way here, and then it goes that way. But we're gonna continue this way, and I can see it all the way down there. This is so peaceful. Look at the sun peeking through the trees. Still going. We were way the heck up there and it's still going. I'm just amazed at how, you know, I'm just amazed at the time and effort they put this little bridge here for people. also on these trails, I know they're practicing social distancing because they're having one-ways and sections that you can't enter the trail. See? So yeah, they're definitely practicing social distancing, which is a good thing. It's always good to practice social distancing just because of the rise of the new cases that are happening again, and it kind of worries me that we're going to have another outbreak and things are going to shut down again. I mean, I'm hoping not, but it just kind of worries me a little bit. So it's kind of good that you have trails like this, that they're taking precautions as well. Especially like in these little city area parks where a lot of people are going to congregate. I don't think not so much like up in the mountains and stuff, just because you have enough distance between you and the other person. So it's kind of nice, guys. I don't know what building that is, but here's another bridge. Definitely a little bit of overgrown here. They have benches here where you can sit down and take a rest for a minute. It's kind of nice. The little pond area. Not much, but it's a little one. That breeze feels so good. It's starting to get warm now. I think it's supposed to be in the high 80s today. Whew, sure didn't look like it this morning. This morning I woke up to clouds and it looked like it was gonna rain. I don't know what that was, but it looks like it was gonna rain. And now the sky is blue and clear and it's a beautiful day. I don't know what that was. Maybe a bird up there in the trees. But almost done with the trail. I'm doing the big outer loop trail on this part, and hardly nobody on these outer loops, which is kind of nice. A long bridge. Let's see what's over this way. Oh, just a little pond area. Human fishermen may have learned to weave nets by observing insects, net builders like the caddisfly larva. That's interesting. Looked like it used to be water at some point here, but it's all dried up. Alrighty. What does this say? Corn lily. Okay guys, so that is the end of the trail, and I want to thank you guys for joining me on this walk, and we will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.